Hello and welcome to this week market analysis with Brumet Dominic. Understanding times, trends, price actions, we'll see that you make a good level of profit from the market. Nvidia just hit $1 trillion market cap. For a split second last week, it joined the likes of Amazon and Apple by attaining the $1 trillion market cap. What happened that caused this? It was because in their last annual meeting, they had a bit of focus on the keyword artificial intelligence. And because of that artificial intelligence, after the meeting, they saw that the price of their stock rose up over 30% in one day. Guys, we see profits like this in the cryptocurrency world, but it is not common to see 30% increase in the price of a stock in a single day. Stocks that I would recommend, especially because this is a market analysis for you to buy, stocks that have done so well that has the AI mantra attached to it: Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft. We've seen these different stocks rise up about 30% in their profit margin from the beginning of the year till now. However, the S&P 500, which is the Standard & Poor's 500, has only gone up 11% in value. And this is because it does not have the niche word artificial intelligence attached to it. Because of this artificial intelligence, you must grab your hands on these different stocks that I made mention of earlier. Something else to note is that the Vorem Artificial Intelligence and Blockchain cohort is coming up this weekend, and you must do well to register for it and take advantage of the opportunities available with artificial intelligence, helping you to become a better creative person, a better programmer, and also someone that can use artificial intelligence to get your writings better. On my screen now, you see the charges that the SEC has filed against Binance, and Cointelegraph reported that the SEC and Binance lawsuit is becoming something that, if not well checked, it will see that a lot of companies really go down the drain, especially with the fact that they have so much on these different companies. Well, I've also seen that Binance wants to be able to move their headquarters maybe to a different country, or have moved their operations from US totally, and be able to see that maybe they establish in somewhere like El Salvador or most of this country that's supporting cryptocurrencies as it is. We see that the US debt has actually also been affected, in the sense that the US House has voted in favor of raising their debt ceiling, and now it will go to Congress for them to vote. You see, they will most probably vote in favor of this year's debt going up from $31 trillion and add another $4 trillion to this, and they will create a government bond for the public to buy. And you see, once they create a government bond for the public to buy, what happens? When they create this bond, the public puts their money into it, then they borrow money to the government, and the government would now use that money that is borrowed to them to see that they can bail out the economy out of financial turmoil. That's just how the economy works. One day we're in debt, the other day they try to borrow money out of that debt to be able to see that they finance the economy for us to get back. However, let's go away from most of the fundamentals that is happening with the economy and look at just the fact that we have in the chart. And from the facts that we have in the chart, we can see the price of Bitcoin. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart of today. So we can see the price of Bitcoin as of today. Let's go to Bitcoin USDT. We're looking at Bitcoin USDT from a 1 month time frame, and Bitcoin USDT from a 1 month time frame is showing this heads and shoulders pattern. I've marked intricate levels for you to quickly hold on to. I've also put a few levels around the 50-day moving average, the 100-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average. And you can see here that we rallied up January 2022. We rallied up to this level, got a bit of break, and then you can see we got to this point. This point is at 29,100. We even got to 30,000. But however, when we got to 30,000, you can see this point. Let's take, the secret to charting analysis is to always look left. So let's look left. 1, 2. Looking left, 1, 2 points. You can see that this candlestick hit a very strong resistance here, and that candlestick is trying to correct, having a corrective pattern. However, most times when there's a correction in the market, the correction moves from a resistance to a support, and here we can find our most important support around this $23,000 level. So Bitcoin, having hit about $29,000, moved from $15,000 up to this $30,000. So it's finding a retracement, and the most likely pace we might see Bitcoin having that type of retracement and stopping is about $24,000 or $23,000. However, if we are to see Bitcoin reclaim this support level, I will see Bitcoin at 30,800, then we'll know that Bitcoin would not drop further into those $23,000 zone. Bitcoin will continue to move forward for an upward trend. So if you have this analysis with you, it is time for you to take it to your portfolio and protect your portfolio against the mishaps that will definitely happen in the market. And the big one, guys, Vorem Wallet. Vorem Wallet is going to be launching on the 30th of June, and on the 30th of June we're also launching my personal book, From Code to Consciousness, an evolution and bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and superhuman productivity. My very good friends, with the news around SEC Binance, we do not know how safe your fund is in a centralized wallet. That's why now it is extremely important for you to patronize and start using a non-custodial wallet. And that's where the big news is coming, guys. The Vorem Wallet is launching on the 30th of June. And on the 30th of June, we're also launching my personal book, From Code to Consciousness, bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and superhuman productivity. We're looking forward to you joining the waitlist to quickly download that wallet and use this wallet to your advantage. As you know, in crypto, it is my key is my fund. You want to always have your funds protected in your self-custody wallet so that anywhere you are, anywhere in the world, you can always have access to using your money at your own convenience. Until next time, my very good friends, this is the market analysis for this week. See you.